Okay, folks, happy Friday to you. Making this video here today just to make an announcement of the new Phuket Pals Social Studies Mastery course. Okay, so this is a course that we have been developing for some time. We have uploaded all of this onto Udemy. That's Udemy here. Okay, so Udemy are hosting this course for Phuket Pals. And as I said, it's a complete social studies mastery course plus practice questions ebook. Okay, so what do you get in this course? Well, you get the videos themselves, you get practice ebooks, and you get lots of test strategies and a lot more too. I'll kind of walk you through the curriculum of this on the Udemy site, and you can have a look. And yeah, perhaps this is the solution you need. Perhaps you don't have the time to go to a physical GED course. Some students do not these days. Some are working part-time or whatever that might be. This will give you flexibility. This means that you can do part-time work, or perhaps you're not the most sociable of people. Perhaps you just want to be in your apartment or in your home and get this done in an efficient way. Well, this is the perfect course for you in that case. Or perhaps you're someone who just wants to steam ahead, get the GED done. Again, this is the perfect course for you as well. Okay, so if we just go over here, yes. So this is actually from inside, under the hood, let's call it, under the hood of the Udemy website. Okay, now you'll see the course is called GED Social Studies Mastery, Complete Prep and Practice. And for your money, you're getting 5 hours and 16 minutes of video content. Okay, that's 5 hours and 16 minutes of video content, which is quite a lot. And this is what you will get in with those videos in the course itself. So this is the curriculum for the course. Section 1 is an introduction. It's an introductory lecture. Section 2, you're getting an introduction to the social studies test itself. Okay, then Unit 1 is the foundations of US history and government. Okay, so there's videos on the 13 colonies, American Revolution, the US Constitution and federalism, the Bill of Rights, the three branches of government, checks and balances of review and extension. Okay, you get a review and extension video there because it's such an important part of this section of the test. Okay, then Unit 2 is all about US expansion and conflict. So we've got Manifest Destiny, Westward Expansion, the US Civil War, late 19th century industrialization, the Reconstruction era, and the Progressive era as well. Unit 3 is Modern US and Global History. You've got Analyzing Political Cartoons. You've got the Great Depression, the Cold War, Civil Rights Movement, Globalization and Modern Issues, World War I and World War II. Then you have 4 videos on geography in the world. Okay, that's dealing with maps and graphs and geographical terms that are necessary to do well in the GED test. Moving on, then we have 7 videos on economics in there as well. So 7 videos on economics. That covers pretty much everything you need to know, including, supply and demand, cost benefit analysis, and tons more stuff as well. Then the penultimate section of the course, you have 4 live exam classes. So if we just take a look here, you can see, yeah, these are longer videos, 25 minutes this one, where you get guided through real exam questions, okay? And you can kind of get strategies from this. There's another 20-minute video. It's a shorter 12-minute one, and the last one is nearly 24 minutes there. So they're live exam videos where you'll be taken through real GED questions just to get a feel, to see how an expert approaches these questions, to see the strategies used, and it should give you confidence. After you have learned lots of theory and got your head around lots of concepts in the course, then these live videos at the end really put the icing on the cake and will make you super confident. Then the final bit of the course is a ebook, a free ebook. You'll see it here. There's the ebook there. Okay. So it's a social studies practice question and answers ebook. These are these are questions that will sharpen your skills for the GED social studies test. Okay. The questions in this book are not exactly the same as you will get in a real test, but they do sharpen the skills necessary to perform on the real test. They also include a lot of the core language that you will need in the real test. So yeah, it provides you a very good foundation and a good opportunity to raise your score for the GED social studies test. Okay, so if you're on Udemy, you will be looking for this particular picture. This is what you will see. Okay, and I'll put the link under this video in the description or in the post, and you can go and check it out on Udemy yourself. Okay, so I hope this video helps you. We think this is a very solid GED social studies test, and we think it's going to help many, many students out wherever they are in the world. So you can check it out. If you have any questions, just hit me up and I'm more than happy to answer. So have a good day and bye bye.